Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, y'all might as well subscribe because I'm dropping videos every single day this week, bringing you guys shoe reviews, early looks, resale predictions, on foot looks, everything under the moon, man. We're gonna be bringing a lot more lit content for y'all, man. A lot more in real life vlogs, steals, all that, man. So hit that subscribe button for your boy, man. But back to the topic at hand. We're here today with another shoe unboxing and review. It's a bit of an early look. I'm gonna keep bringing you guys these early looks and reviews if I could get my hands on these shoes early, man. So today, if you guys don't know, well, you should know by the title, that we are here with another Jordan 1, as you guys can see by the box, and it is the Navy Midnight Japan colorway. So first impressions of the shoe when seeing it online and the history of it, this shoe I believe came out in the early 2000s along with the other Japan 1. It came with the suitcase. I don't know if this year's men's size is gonna come with a suitcase, but this right here is a GS size, so it came in the regular Nike Jordan 1 box. Same thing with the silver Japans. The men's size came with a silver box, while the GS pair came in a regular one. I have that pair in the closet, I think. But yeah, man, first time seeing this shoe online, I thought it was a very clean shoe. If you guys don't know, navy is one of my favorite colors on the color spectrum, you could say. I'm a little colorblind, so I like little darker colors and colors that pop at you. You're not supposed to be wearing navy with black, I know, but you know what, I do anyway. You know, why not swag out a little bit? And the navy on this pair was like a suede, as you could see from the pictures, and it just complements, like, navy just complements white perfectly. So without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing and give you guys a look of the sneaker. So like I said, regular Jordan box. Size on this pair is a 5.5. It reads white metallic silver for the colors. Big shout out to my man EC_layup on Instagram again for assisting me these early. If you guys like early pairs, go check out his Instagram, linked in the description. He gave me these. He was like, yo bro, do a review on them. I was like, oh shit. Like, I was just selling him a pair of shoes or 2 pairs of shoes, and he was like, yo, I got these for you, do a review. Yo, that's crazy love, man. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Boom. So, you know, you lift the lid, regular Jordan 1 box lid, and damn, this shoe right here is a clean shoe, man. Like, I don't know if you guys could see it in the video, but I'm gonna bring you guys a closer look on a B-roll. So let's just cut to that. You guys already saw the details on the B-roll, and we're back, man. We're back, and this shoe is just a very beautiful shoe. Not gonna lie to you at all. Like, just look at the details. The midnight navy with the white contrast, and then the silver swoosh. They just did this shoe right, man. In my opinion, definitely need a pair or 2 of those. It follows like a Chicago color blocking, but it has the white on the ankle area on the back. But overall, the midnight navy on this shoe is just beautiful, man. I don't think it's a suede material. It's more of a nubuck, and it complements the white leather on the toe box and the mid panel and the inner mid panel of the leather. But the tongue, man, if you guys don't know, this is what makes it the Japan tongue. It doesn't follow the regular meshy kind of styrofoam insole on your Jordan 1s. This one just has like a straight leather tongue, and it has Nike Air and navy stitched in right there. as opposed to having the little Nike Air tab on top. Another feature about the Japan Jordan 1s is that it comes with these rope laces. This one comes with a silver, but then it also complements with a white flat lace on the other pair of shoes. So you could throw in the white flat laces. I feel like the white flat laces will really make this shoe pop, but you can't mess up the classic look by going with the navy laces as well. Another crazy feature, in my opinion, is the silver swoosh, man. The silver swoosh and the silver wings logo. Plus the wings logo is not just stamped on, it's actually like a physical plastic wings logo that they put in there. The silver just complements the white with the navy, like perfectly executed shoe in my opinion. I will be picking these up in a size 9 for myself, just for like nostalgia purposes. Like, I like the silver Japan colorway, but I just feel like this one just beats that other shoe out the box. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison of the silver Japan Jordan 1s versus the midnight navies, and I just feel like this one blows this out the water, man. This one's an all silver Jordan 1, which is tough. Like, you've never seen a all silver Jordan 1 besides this, but you just can't beat this shoe as in terms of being a clean pair of Jordan 1s, man. So I definitely will be looking to pick these up in a size 9 for myself. Like I said, for nostalgia purposes, I do need a pair of Japan Jordan 1s in my collection, because growing up as a kid, I always wanted a pair of Japan Jordan 1s, and it was just like the suitcase that they had, the silver suitcase, when you with the buckles and you open, it just gave you a different vibe. Like, that's what Jordans were about when I was younger in high school. And you know, it was just that unique packaging that came along with the whole shoe. And you kind of forget about these classic shoes because Jordan Brand has been dropping so many different colorways on your head. Like, it's crazy. So you just have to pay respect to classics and pick up a pair. For sizing on Jordan 1s, I suggest you guys go true to size. I'm an 8.5, 9, and all my Jordan 1s are size 9. I can fit an 8.5, but I like having a little space in my shoes. Just a little bit of space, so it doesn't feel like my foot is suffocating to death. Now, as for comfort on Jordan 1s, you know, it's regular. Nothing's different about this pair of Jordan 1s as from other pairs of Jordan 1s in terms of comfort. The tongue might feel a little bit different because it doesn't have the padding on it. And yeah, man, Jordan 1s overall aren't that comfortable, but it's a pretty sleek shoe. You could wear these with, you know, basically anything. Sweats, cargos, jeans, baggy jeans, slim jeans, skinny jeans, fit sweats, loose sweats, whatever look you're trying to pull off, you could just throw these on and you be clean, man. As for the resale prediction of this shoe, it's gonna be tough, man. I feel like we should follow this shoe's resale trajectory, just because, you know, not a lot of people are in the market looking for Japans. You know, like right now Jordan 1s are the hottest thing out, and Jordan Brand is just completely killing like Yeezys, you feel me? Like, there's really no competition in the game, as like my boy Dave said yesterday from Kick Addiction, and he's just like, yo, like Jordan really has no competition right now, so everything he puts out, sell out. People are reselling them. It's crazy. And the Jordan 1 in 2020 has touched every demographic, you know, in the world. Like, you have everybody looking for a pair of AJ1s, you feel me? And this one is a classic clean colorway, so I predict that GS will be in the high 200s, and so will men's, man. So will men's pairs. They'll both be in upper 200s, like 275, 300 range. That's why I predict this shoe to resell at. Personally, I think this shoe is a lot cleaner than this one, so it might be even a little higher. It might be like 320. So that's most Jordan 1's range right now for reselling. It's like high 200s and close to 300. So to wrap things up with my final opinion, you guys should already know what my opinion is on this shoe by watching the video, man. I truly think it's a very clean classic colorway, and the silver, the white, the navy just complements each other perfectly. So that wraps up this video. I'll definitely be trying to pick up a pair on release day, and I'll probably bring you guys on for a look, man. And you guys definitely let me know down in the comments, what is your opinion and thoughts about this shoe, man. And that's the end of this shoe review, early look, unboxing, whatever you guys call it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to stay safe and stay swaggy. Your boy's out.